Good morning, everyone. Today I will be presenting on what me and my group have worked on, trigonometric equations. So trigonometric equations are basically functions of trigonometric functions. So basically they have the equations that have a trigonometric function in them. So more specifically, my presentation will be on how to approach questions that have trigonometric equations in them. So in every question with trigonometric equations, you will have the equation itself and a domain. So for explanation's sake, we just gave a domain. 0 is less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 360. And for a general equation, we went through the textbook, but we couldn't find the general equation wasn't given in the textbook. So using the examples in the textbook and the questions we were solved in class, we came up with one, which is a sine opening bracket mx plus b closing bracket equals c, where a is the function of sine, and then m is the function of your x degree, and b is just a constant. So when solving equations, questions with trigonometric equations, we rearrange the equation itself to bring the coefficient of the function to the other side, and then we change our variable into something simpler. So instead of writing mx plus b, we can write, say, y, and then we change our domain to suit the coefficient of x. So we'll multiply a domain by m, for example. And then we solve for y, so we find out our base angle. So in this case, it's y angle. And then using our y angle, that's when we refer to the unit circle. So by referring to the unit circle, we decide which region does our angle lie in to solve. And then from there, we just add 360 or subtract 360 as long as it's within the given domain to find out the other solutions. So usually you'll have like two regions in your unit circle that can solve the equation. And then from there, we rearrange our y degree to solve for x. So instead of writing y equals mx plus b, we rearrange that to x is equal to y over m minus b. So this gives us our x solutions from the simplified y. Yes. So after we get our solutions for y, we substitute them into our rearranged equation for x, and then we write down our solutions in ascending order in terms of digits or radians, whatever is given, as long as it fits within the domain. Thank you.